In basketball, you're always getting rid of the ball. You say to the other fellow, have a ball. See? And that keeps things moving. That's the nature of life. So in this idea then, everybody is fundamentally the ultimate reality. Not God in a politically kingly sense, but God in the sense of being the self, the deep down basic whatever there is. And you're all that. Only you're pretending you're not.
It's me, Grand Sounds, with a freestyle. Check. Let's go. They try to whip me a lot about it, defy sinners. I'm a right niggas who all center, not left the balance. A little stallion compared to me. A pony only gotta be genuine, honestly, for R&D. I paint the walls like I got $1 to show for it. I'm a living sponge, ain't no bobbing, weaving the showrunner. A low summer, a slow sun, I'm an oven ornament. You shooting stupid, a Punta Cana with no republic. Ain't no ducking, so take a gander at true form. I'm a living loafer, it always fit with a shoehorn. I do porn in new forms and stretch flows. The Gucci got anatomy malleable from the get-go. When shorty milk me, I know I'm goated. Higher than Ayatollah, Allah made the finest soda. Giving a diamond shoulder so shiny, they saying comfy from race when a lot allow me like stepping in cold waters. Giving my soul's order, my mind got emotions on it. Defining my color palette, compassionate, semi-tonal. Smoother than baby oil, no Johnson & Johnson or Pfizer stopping me. Taking breath of the anti, I know I'm COVID. Rocky like North Dakota, I'm climbing the stairs, homie. You scary when scaling coming, I'm heavy on my atonement. Bigger than everybody, a mountain, a pyramid, so astounding it's man-made. No rest in the shadow summit. I'm like an Energizer bunny, I'm fighting but keep it going. A private message is fighting for easy motion. Even the genie knows it, no wishing when you getting what you want. If you wanna make some dollars and you dial back the stunts, itemizing my whole style so it's pointed out and cloned. Stepping over all my issues like Iverson on the court. Learn from Scooby-Doo that monsters are just haters in disguise. I've been venerating family everywhere, feel at home. Let's go. It's Grand Sounds.